So he says, Olo, swearing, Lachatesh, and lying, Votsoach, and killing, Vagono, and stealing, Loal, and immoral, and adultery, Porotsu, which they have broken all bounds, Porotsu, Ostibro, Porotsu, all bounds, Bedomim, no gold. One murder touches off another. There's gang warfare. The Menachem, Zechariah kills the people that are there. The henchmen of Zechariah kill Shalom, and Shalom kills those, and those of Shalom kill the Menachem. One after the other, domim but domim no gold. So what's going to be the punishment? The punishment will be the destruction of the land. And not only this, it says 42 years, and Moses says, for 42 years, according to others, only for 7 years, the land was actually destroyed. We find in the Torah, when was that? That was that period, following the driving out, and it was in Seret HaShvotim, one period, and then there was the period in Yehuda. It says, according to others, was 52 years, according to others, was 7 years,